You are so beautiful. You would be wondering that you haven't even met me. Then how can you say that? I may not have met you, but I have seen you. And hence I say you're very beautiful. More beautiful than you have ever imagined or known yourself to be. So loving, so kind, so peaceful, so powerful. I have seen you. I have seen you within me. Having seen me, I have seen you. And hence I say that you are very, very beautiful. I haven't met you. I haven't seen your vehicle, but I have seen you. What if someone looks at your car, just looks at your car, and not having seen you tells you that you're very beautiful just because he liked the car? Wouldn't that be absurd? If he says the car is very beautiful, that makes sense. But to say that you are beautiful just because the car is beautiful, that doesn't make sense. That is what we do. We look at our vehicle. We look at other people's vehicle, the body. But the one who's animating the vehicle, that is the one which is truly beautiful. The one that we see in the mirror is not being spoken of here. What is being spoken of is the one who sees, the one who makes seeing possible, the one who makes life possible in this form. This body or this vehicle is just an interface which I use to express myself in this world, in this physical world. And it is I who is indeed very beautiful. And having seen this I know you too are beautiful, because having seen me, I saw you. So I don't need to meet you to know you're beautiful. I know that you are, regardless of whatever you have done before this moment. You are still very beautiful. This body or this vehicle has an expiry date, but you are eternal, eternally beautiful, immortal. And hence I say, you are very, very beautiful, more beautiful than you ever imagined yourself to be. If only you could see what I see. May we all recognize our true beauty and see that beauty in others too. Realizing that we are all that eternal, beautiful light. And not the limited form. No matter where you're from, when you look within, And when I look within, we reach the same place. And hence I say, you're very, very beautiful. Okay.